Hello! In this video, we are proud to introduce the new T86 Mini TV box brought to you by entertainmentbox.com. This device runs on the Android 7.1.2 platform and has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM. Straight out of the box, you will find a petite black square device. On the front face, there is a power button and the digital clock. Turning to the right side, we find the USB and SD card ports. On the back, we have 2 twin antennae for extra Wi-Fi connectivity. There is an optical out port, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a power adapter port. On the left side, we have 2 additional USB card ports. Further into the box, we find the remote control in black, as well as the power and HDMI cables, which come standard with each device. Here is everything that comes out of the box when you purchase the T86 Mini TV box. Powering up the device, we can see the crisp display running on one of our favorite launchers, the always popular Nova launcher. Of course, if there is another launcher you prefer, you can always download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store of your choice. A unique feature with this device is the handy notification bar at the top left corner of the screen and the Task Manager, useful for navigating or closing multiple apps at the same time. Bringing up the main applications menu, you can see there are various apps we have downloaded, and each are fully customizable. You can add, delete, or arrange apps on your launcher, according to your personal preference. With the purchase of this device, you will get a premium 1-year subscription to the eBox Connect VPN. This virtual private network service is encrypted and keeps no logs, so that your data and viewing information are not accessible by your internet service provider. You also have the ability to change your perceived location, so that anyone viewing your device online will see the country of origin that you have chosen. The eBox Store is a fantastic application store, where you can get the latest version of Kodi, EBMC, or other top applications that we have pre-selected. We've organized them into easy-to-navigate categories and even grouped some of the top applications from each country of origin. There are tools, gaming emulators, music, and so much more from which to choose. Next, we'll have a look at the eBox OTA. It's very important that all your devices are running on the latest firmware. We've made it easy with this application. Simply run the eBox OTA and it will automatically check for updates, download, and install them right on your device. Here we are looking at the eBox app. This app is great for getting all the latest Entertainment Box downloads, news, and information. There are links to our social media, YouTube channel, and more. While some devices come with the Android TV version, the T86 Mini comes with a full version of the Google Play Store. With thousands of apps from which to choose, this Play Store allows you to download and install your favorite apps with just a few clicks of a button. This is Apk Pure and is yet another fantastic application store. Here we are browsing Aptoide Tv. This is the 4th of 5 app stores that come pre-installed when you purchase the T86 Mini TV box. Having access to a variety of app stores ensures that you are able to have access to as many selections of applications as possible and customize your perfect setup. Finally, we have Apk Mirror. As with the other app stores, you can search for specific apps or browse and select them from various categories. Now we're going to be looking at a few 4K sample videos using Kodi. This is version 17.6 of Kodi, which is the latest version to date. The first sample video is a UHD 4K TS.File Demo. As you can see, the image is crystal clear with no visible chop or lag. This next video is a UHD 4K Dot Mp4 File Demo. As with the previous video, you can see that the image is again crisp and clean. Now we're going to have a look at the settings, which are easily accessed from the slide bar on the top right-hand side. Clicking on More Settings, you will find a search panel on the top right-hand corner to quickly access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth settings, or even Google Assistant. What time is it?
4:14.
The T86 Mini also comes with AirPlay. As you can see here, you can mirrorcast pre-recorded video or images from any mobile device to your TV box and onto the main display. Running a quick DRM check, you can see here that this device also has Google Wildvine modular DRM support. Next, let's take a look at the Antutu benchmark rating for this device. The T86 comes in at a beefy 47,716, and below there is a more detailed breakdown of this score. Finally, let's take a quick look at a couple of games we've downloaded from the Aptoide TV store. For this demo, we'll be using the powerful eBox Bluetooth gaming controller, which is available for purchase at entertainmentbox.com. This is the new T86 Mini TV box, brought to you by entertainmentbox.com. For more information on this and other eBox products, please click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This video was brought to you by entertainmentbox.com.